Looks like the bell's opening up here pretty quickly in about 2 minutes. So today the S&P is gapping up a small amount. What we have on watch list is SAEX, gapping up 170% pre-market. The float is 4 million. We also have PECK, gapping up 68% pre-market. The float is 3.5 million. And ATIF are the three strong ones we're watching. This one's got a 9.4 million share float, and it's gapped up 119%. The other ones we're watching is these ones. They look a little weaker, but they still are gapped up on the day. Probably not going to trade these unless they make some sort of reversal. So right out of the gates, I'm watching SAEX. PECK looks like the best one. Looks like it's going to break pre-market highs. Yeah, let's stick with PECK. So it looks like we're going to be trading PECK. So probably going to hop in here if we break 644. Just a nice quick little scalp past the pre-market highs up to 750. It looks like we have some room. Room up to 750. Here we go. We're looking for a strong move out of the gates. 7 seconds. Let's see how this one goes. We're going to manage our risk well still today. Let's go. Last past 644, we're going to hop in here. Stop loss tight. Okay, that was pretty terrible. Let's wait for a pullback. That stop was too tight. Oh, let's try and hop in. Oh, good. Okay, we ended up hopping in there before it got halted for $1,000 float. So what we're going to actually do is zoom in a little bit. Put in our stop. But we're going to move it down more below pre-market highs. Like that. Okay, so we're in there at PECK. I'm going to put an order out there. Should be opening up here now in about a minute and 30 seconds, I'm guessing. For a 10-minute hold. Okay, so should be opening up here soon. Still the same plan. Finger on the trigger to cancel orders and then sell right away. Anything over 7, I'm pretty sure that's everyone else's plan too, so wouldn't be surprised if we saw a huge washout and I got stopped out, honestly. Here we go, 30 seconds. Sold it there. Nice gain of 55. That was really fast, that's awesome. So we can look to hop back in possibly on a pullback. Oh wow, it's getting halted again to the upside. I'm going to leave it this time. Clocking in a solid 55 there. That's pretty nice. Let's see what else we can get. I don't like those ones that just halt every 4 seconds. It's pretty annoying, honestly. So SAEX pulling back here to a pre-market support level respecting its volumes all red. I'm going to stay away from that one. Possible short squeeze though, just because it's very obvious looking dump. This one looks pretty shitty. Cost not looking good. Maybe I should have hopped back in PECK. No, I did the right thing. So nothing really looking too good. So if it is a 5-minute halt this time, we should be opening up soon here. I'm going to look for a huge washout down to 644 area. Should open up here if it's a 5-minute halt. Looks like another 10-minute one. That's brutal. Super lame. Kills all the price action. So I think I might try and hop into a small short here on SAEX. It's looking pretty nice. Or I mean a small long. Let's give it a shot. So just bought $500 worth there. Nice tight stop once again. Just gonna look for a little pop up to VWAP. Just a small position here. There we go. Sell a little bit on this push. So I'm going to cancel my stop loss for a second. I'll sell 25% there. Re-enter stop loss. So hoping it had a bit more juice in it. This one's kind of stalling out. Don't know about this one. Might just take it on this push here, look to re-enter. Yeah, I don't know, that was looking most pumpy. We'll see what it does with VWAP. Low volume too. Okay. Okay. Slower. It's 4 million share float. It's got 10 million share volume. It's probably the volume that's slowing it down a bit. That was a nice 10 bucks. Not complaining. It does look like it wants a little bit more here. Could possibly buy a breakout of VWAP. Just watching though. I don't want to get faked out on this thing. Yeah. That's nasty. Oh, that's nasty. I don't think I'm going to buy that retest. That looks like a bearish engulfing 3-minute candle, pretty much. If it can get back to that 260 level, we'll see. PECK should be opening up here again soon. Yeah, so in about 2 minutes we should see it open. This thing's probably gonna have a huge wash down to $7 area. Maybe we'll hop in with like, I want to manage my risk well, so I'm gonna hop in with let's say 500 shares anywhere below 7 or below. We'll hop in with 500 and look for a wash it along play. Super tight stop on this one, just that's the way my stop loss is set up, I guess. It's got a huge spread. So it looks like it's going to be opening up higher up here at $8. Wow, okay. So opening up here in 45 seconds. Yeah. We'll look for the washout long on this, but I don't really want to chase it. It's already up here at 8. I already banked 56 on it. Don't want to get greedy. So opening up here in about 10 seconds, we'll see if we can get a washout long with $500 float. There we go. Okay, wow, really opened up there. Holy cow. Looking for the wash. Do not want to get stuck in a halt going to the downside though. Oh, this thing's pretty wild. It's holding. Maybe look for a break of 8.8. Give me at 8.8. I'll hop in if we can break 8.8. Watching the level 2 on the ask. There we go. Hop in there. Sell that. Nice. Right before the halt also. Perfect. Okay, wow, fake halts. And dump. That was a pretty nice scalp. Made about 10 bucks there. No stop loss though. So that was the only downside to that move, is it could have got flushed. I wasn't quick enough. I sold before I had time to put in my stop. So